Take a second and picture your ultimate home theater. What does that look like to you? Now think about what the CEO of Digital Trends might put in his own home theater. It's not exactly what you think. Let's go check it out. Over the last couple of years, we've used this home as a test bed so that we could show you everything from DIY smart home to full-on home automation. So around this house, you'll find Alexa and Sonos, but you'll also find indoor and outdoor speakers, network TVs and sound bars, all controlled by a Savant system installed by local installer ProTech. For the home theater though, the owner wanted to go a different direction. Yes, it's tied into all that stuff, but it functions on its own. This is a daylight basement, so you've got huge windows letting lots of light in. A lot of entertainment happens here, so people coming in and out from the pool. A projector simply wasn't an option for this installation. So instead, the homeowner went with the top of the line Samsung QLED TV. This is a 75-inch model here. For the speakers, well, that was a little bit tricky. We went through a number of different options because the homeowner is an old school audiophile and really wanted high fidelity sound. We looked at a number of different options from freestanding speakers to in-walls, but because the way this wall is constructed, in-walls simply weren't an option. Instead, we went with on-wall speakers from Origin Acoustics. These mammoth speakers produce absolutely amazing sound. You'll notice that the center channel itself is also really big. That's because lots of dialogue and action comes through that very important speaker. And in the ceiling, slightly more discreet, are Origin Acoustics in-ceiling speakers, which are helping to complete a full Dolby Atmos system. And of course, you gotta have plenty of bass, and that's where this comes in. This absolutely massive box produces earth-rumbling bass, which really adds a lot of excitement to movies. Behind these very well-ventilated doors is the beating heart of this system, a top-of-the-line Yamaha Avantage AV receiver. Now, the choice to do an AV receiver was very deliberate because the homeowner has kids and he wanted everything routed locally so that it could be controlled locally without necessarily involving the large Savant system. Now, that doesn't mean that's not available. The Apple TV, Roku, and TiVos that are part of that bigger system do come into this AV receiver, but the simplicity here is that it's very powerful. It can control the entire Dolby Atmos sound system, and it does all the input switching. So whether they want to watch movies or play games with the 4K Blu-ray player or the Xbox or PlayStation, it's all right here. And that's also why the game consoles are sitting up top here. Readily available, ready to play. You can just walk down here and start having fun. Here's what I love about this setup. It's got great ease of use and accessibility. The receiver is right there, switching between all your components if you want it to. You've got game consoles and controllers right out on the credenza, ready to go. Grab a disc, throw it in the 4K Blu-ray player, and you're watching a movie. Or you can stream your favorites from your favorite streaming service. All of it is controlled with this remote. If you want, just click Apple TV or Blu-ray, and you're off to the races. I also love the sound. The selection of speakers in here are ridiculously high fidelity and very powerful. Origin Acoustics did a great job measuring and reading this room and bringing to us an outstanding sound system. And of course, the TV is absolutely excellent as well. Really gorgeous picture, 4K HDR resolution. It really brings the content to you. But some compromises had to be made in order to make this all possible. First off, those speakers, they sound great, but they're also very big. We could not have gone with in-walls here to make them more discreet. They just wouldn't fit in there. So we went with the next best thing, and that's an on-wall speaker. We get the fidelity there, and then we have the discrete Atmos channels up in the ceiling. That's a great compromise between visibility and sound quality. One thing we learned from this project is that we could have gone with a larger TV. I mean, 75 inches is no small TV, but next to these really big speakers, it doesn't really look like a 75-inch TV. In fact, people pass through and comment on it, not really looking all that large. So I think we could have gone with an 85 or even 90-inch display and done much better. But the choice to go with a TV over a projector, that was solid. And that's what I really love about this room, was it was a bunch of smart choices that make it accessible, easy to use, and also high performance. And the other thing that's great about this project is that it marries more of a classic home theater installation with a smart home installation. We still have all the advantages of the smart home feeding in to this classic home theater, which brings you big picture, big sound, and very big entertainment in a very approachable way.